So this could be described as living the dream, in that I have not just one, but two 3D printers on the go at the minute. And the reason for this decadence is that this was a 3D printer I won in a competition about 10 years ago almost now, and is called an Up Plus and is incredibly good. Even today it's still really high quality prints in not just PLA, which is relatively easy, but also ABS. So I've opted to do the detail stuff on that. However, the issue is that the bed size is only about as big as your hand, so it's quite small. Whereas this beast over here, I've been really impressed with. Even though the quality is nowhere near as good, you can see I'm printing a much larger, basically, bed for the entire model on there, and it's got absolutely tons of room. It's also got a much thicker nozzle, so it can basically chuck out a lot of plastic in not a lot of time. And it's worth saying as well that this thing, when it came out, there we go, was about $1.5 grand, whereas this is $200, or for me £200, which I managed to get. And it's quite extraordinary, and I can't think of anything better from what I've seen on reviews, and I would definitely agree with it, that for the money, even though you have to do a little bit of fiddling and a little bit of calibration, and you have to print a bunch of stuff to make it work a little bit better, like that little arm you can see in the corner so that the print filament feeds in, it's just extraordinary. And today I look back and think, if I was a product design student, I really can't think of any reason, especially considering what I knew I spent on beer, why I wouldn't legitimately save a few beers and spend 200 quid on something that could completely transform my, ideation and prototyping process. So just extraordinary to be part of this generation and see how fast the technology's improved. So yeah, go check it out. It's an Ender 3, and again, the software to power it is called Cura, and that's free as well. So there we go. See ya.